To remove the screen from a Peloton bike, start by turning off the device to protect its electrical components. This can be done by holding the power button and unplugging the power connection. Next, locate the monitor and audio cables underneath the screen, and remove the plastic clip that holds them in place. Proceed to disconnect the monitor and audio cables, as well as the Ethernet cable. Then, find the seam that defines the back panel's borders, and gently slide off the rear panel. Setting it aside, remove the screws that connect the screen to the bike, and carefully take off the screen. If you're moving the bike, it's a good idea to pack the screen in a padded box. If the screen needs to be replaced, it is possible to do so. Simply follow the same steps to remove the old screen. Slide the new monitor onto the arm, and reconnect it. Once the new screen is in place, adjust it to your preferred position, secure it, and plug in the monitor and audio connections. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully remove and replace the screen from a Peloton bike.